Hi, my baddies. Today we will be playing baddies, but only using chainsaw. But let's get into it.
Santa Claus is
So I wanted to fight this fat minion. So I got her and dragged her like a fat rat. I am popping it so hard right now, like this girl can't fight for nothing. Okay, you might have got your drag, sis, but trust me, you're not always gonna get your drag. Now I'm just popping it so hard right now. Not the shiny purse, lol. Oh gosh, the log was crazy. Oh girl, I don't know who you thought you was to pull my wig like girl moving somewhere. Okay, she popped it. Now I'ma get this of brand Cardi B. She never ever be the real one. Okay, I am popping it.
She was a fairy.
She just mad BC. I popped it like girl. I dragged her because like why would you jump in my fight, like get a grip. Okay, I'ma shut up for a little bit. Okay, I got this rat because she is stacking up the whole streets of baddies like we don't need big stanky rats in the city of baddies. Clocked like a rat. Okay, I got this bacon thing or whatever. Clocked. Okay, I got him again, and I know that he was off keyboard, but I had to get him. Okay, I got this fat, ugly, musty rat because why not? And I clocked him to death. Yup, her tried it.
could have some of mine. There you go. Girl, we could be chainsaw sisters.
Oh gosh, not this thing. Oh gosh, I got jumped so hard. Okay, baddies, that was the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe now by my baddykins.